everyone, welcome back to my .NET YouTube channel. So anybody who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel to get the most updated Microsoft news and the features. So today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting feature in .NET 10, which is file-based app. So probably you guys might be surprised what is file-based app. So it is just like Python and Node.js or any other technologies which supports file-based app and run it on the fly. So right now .NET 10 introduces file-based app. So let's get into the demo and see how that works. So here is one simple file, that is hello world.cs file, and I'm having only one single line without having any namespaces or .cs project configurations or any other things, and just one single line. And let me run a command, that is .NET run, and then say hello world.cs. Yeah, boom. So it's giving you a hello world message, and this is not using, and I'm not using any compilers to it, and I'm just running .NET run command to it. So it is only one single line in one single file. So let's go into much more detailing file. I think this is I'm showing you a minimal API, writing it in one single file, where I'm referencing SDK and packages on the top, and I'm building the app and having one hello world message into the base or one single API to the base location. So let me run that. Okay, so yeah, so it's not taking much time, it is already run, and it's giving you host URL where that gives you the hello world. So as simple as this, you don't need to have any namespaces or any libraries or any DLLs to refer. So as it is, this one is as simple as is, and this is too good and very highly performed. So this also supports Shebang scripts, just like Python and Node.js. Let's have a comparison between them. So this is it. So in C# you just need to have these commands and make it as executable and run it. So again, Python and Node.js already supporting this feature, but this is the game changer. Like it is very lightweight, and you can run one single CS file in Windows, and even in Linux or in macOS. Everywhere, like one single file, one single code, and run in any platform with very lightweight and highly performed app. This .NET 10 framework is a game changer between all the technologies. So anyone who is working on other technologies, please have a look into this .NET 10 framework, and mostly start trying and see how well your application is working with highly performed applications. So here is I'm ending my video. If anybody who likes the video and the concepts, please like and put your comments and share it to your friends and colleagues. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll be coming back with one more interesting feature in the .NET 10 in my next video. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.